Hey guys, so another Canva tutorial, and today we will discuss about adding an audio and adding a music into your Canva artwork. So there are options for you to show in Canva. You have an ability to just split a portion of music that you want to put in your artwork. And we will cover that process in this tutorial. So if you are interested, again, stay tuned. 1, 2, 3. So to add an audio in Canva, you need to have at least one slide. Okay, so let's just say I'm gonna use this template over here. Yeah, this one. And I want to add like a happy audio in this part. So let's say, let me just duplicate this one. I'm gonna remove things here first, and then this one should be just, I would say, breathe, and then I just wanted to make it 1 seconds, and the rest are good already. So to add an audio, you simply need to click the elements and then go into the audio. And then let's say I want it to be hip hop. Okay, you can type in word hip hop keyword. Okay, and then here you can see all of the hip hop audio. So this budget here that's called edu means you can only access this audio if you have an edu license. There's also a lot of free audio actually, so you just need to play around. So let's say I'm gonna choose an excited audio music background. So this one is edu. Let me try to use free, so I'm just pretend that that is a free account. So actually that's the problem. So you probably need to scroll which part is a free one, because I'm currently using an audio and edu license. That's why most of the top audio here are edu license. So let's say I want to choose this one. So if we play that, okay, you'll see that there is an highlighted blue color in here. So it means that this slides here has a total of 6 seconds. So this one is a 1 second, and this two is a 5 second. Now if you want to fill in or play all of this audio in here, you need to add more slides. So let's say I'm going to add more slides there. I'll add some few graphics in here. So if we click again this audio, you'll see that it jumped from 6 seconds to 10 seconds. Now again, as always, if you want to adjust the audio, like let's say I don't want to be 10 seconds, I probably just need an 8 seconds animation. Then simply click this timing over here and just change the sizes or change the duration. You can also max it out if you wanted to have a longer audio. Okay, now what a good thing about Canva as well is you can merge their videos and the audio. So this is so perfect for YouTube videos if you just want to have like a stock photos and stock videos in your animation or in your video presentation. Canva is one of the good tools or best tools that you should use, because there's a lot of free assets, there's a lot of free graphics that you can just drag and drop. You don't need to be a graphic designer or an animator to do that. So let's just say I'm gonna grab this audio over here, this video rather over here. And if you notice here, like this video jumped to, this is a total of 18 seconds. So our presentation is equivalent to 26 seconds. Now, if you want this to cut off, like let's say I just want this to be 12 seconds, then you can always just drag that up. Okay, so continue. And again, if we click this audio over here, you'll see that the highlighted music background was jumped from 16 seconds to 21 seconds. So that's basically how it works. Now, if I play this one, and of course, I'm not really doing a lot of crazy animation thing in here, because I just want to show with you how you can add a music into your Canva. Okay. So anyway, so once you're really good in this design or in this presentation, you can then download this as an MP4 version. So simply click the download and then here suggested video MP4, and you need to select all of the pages, of course, and then click the download and click the download button. So that's basically how you can do that in Canva. Super perfect if you have a YouTube channel and you just want to have a stock videos and stock photos playing in your video while there is a voiceover. I see a lot of YouTube channels are doing that. So if you want to make money, start using Canva because it's very easy for you. I mean, if you want to make money on YouTube, start creating a YouTube channel and start to use Canva as your tool in creating a story, animation, and video, like informative video using Canva. Anyway, so I hope this video would able to help you to start creating a professional video. So if you have any question or concerns, again, don't forget to let me know by leaving a comment down below. Thank you.